No, let it sit for a sec. I'm gonna be on here. Here we go. Sailfish eating my bait now. Sailfish on my bait. You see it right there? Reel yours up if yours is gone, because he's gonna be on this one next. Line's going out pretty good now. I think he's on it.
You saw that.
You didn't see him swirling on it?
I saw him come out. I saw him jump.
Well, the jump, but did you see mine eat mine?
I didn't see him first hit it.
No, I didn't see him when he first hit it, but then he ate mine.
Oh,
There was another one there.
I saw like the little splash.
That was him swirling up. He's on. He's on. He's on, baby. I gotta turn around here, though. Here we go, baby. He's on it. He ate it. Watch out. He's over here now. Okay, you gotta get behind me. I'm gonna pass it off. He doesn't even know he's hooked. Spit the hook, then ate the other one. There he is out there jumping. There he goes. Woo! Going crazy. Oh, don't come at me, baby. Don't come at me, baby. Stay away. Stay away. There he goes. He's good now. He's pretty close to the boat. I want him to kind of run away a little bit. Woo, here we go, baby! Sailfish on. We had one smoke Alex's bait, jumped, tossed it. We had another bait out. We saw him eat it. Now we hooked up to the second one. Now we on tight.